In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade out in Capcut. Whether you're finishing a video project or just want that smooth audio transition for your social media snippets, mastering the fade out effect will make your content look and sound more professional. Let's get started by opening up the Capcut app. Simply locate the app on your device and tap to open it. Once inside, your first step is to load the project you're currently working on. This could be a video or an audio file that you've already started editing. If you're starting from scratch, you can also import a new file directly into Capcut's workspace. Now that we're in the project, you'll want to select the specific audio or video clip that you wish to apply a fade out effect to. Just tap on the clip within your timeline to make sure that it's highlighted and ready for editing. This selection step is crucial as it tells Capcut which section of your project you're focusing on. Next, look towards the bottom of your screen where you'll see various tools available. Tap on the edit icon. This will open a menu of options, and here is where you'll find the fade out function. Finding this option is straightforward if you follow the on-screen prompts carefully. This feature is essential for those times when you want the audio or visual to seamlessly transition to silence or a final frame, leaving a polished effect on your video. Once you've located the fade out option, you'll see a slider. This slider allows you to adjust the duration of the fade out effect. Dragging the slider to the left will create a shorter fade out, while moving it to the right will lengthen that transition. Take a moment to experiment with the slider so you can decide what length suits your project the best. The duration of the fade out can alter the mood and tone of your final output, so don't rush this part. After setting the desired duration, it's always a good practice to preview the fade out effect. To do this, play back the section of your project where the fade out will occur. Make sure the transition meets your expectations and adjust the slider if necessary. This preview step is your chance to double check your work and ensure that everything sounds and looks just right before finalizing your video. Finally, when you're satisfied with how the fade out effect integrates with your project, the last step is to export your video. Look for the export button, usually located at the top right of the screen, and choose your preferred video settings. Once you've confirmed those settings, complete the export process and save your newly edited project. With these easy steps, you can now add a professional fade out to any of your video projects using Capcut. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice this technique on your next editing journey.